Hi everyone, welcome to Melssimplemeals. I am so excited to share the spinach and artichoke dip with you guys. It is decadent, gooey, cheesy, everything that a spinach and artichoke dip should be, but this is only one Weight Watcher point per serving. I am not kidding, I can't wait, let's go. To my Ninja Storm food processor, I am adding 1 can of drained artichoke hearts, and I really like to use the food processor for this. It just makes it so easy, but you could absolutely chop these up by hand if you wanted to. And then I'm going to put my lid on, and I'm just going to give it a couple of pulses because I like to have a nice big bite of artichoke in my artichoke dip, but you can do it however finely you like it. I have 1 bag of chopped frozen spinach that I'm just going to go ahead and put in the microwave and steam for about 5 minutes. To my bowl, I'm adding some fat-free cream cheese, some light mayonnaise, non-fat Greek yogurt, and Laughing Cow Swiss wedges, and set that aside. Once your steamed spinach has cooled, you're going to go ahead and drain it. I like to just take some paper towel and put the spinach in it, and then just wrap it up and squeeze as much water as you can get out of it. You really want it to be as dry as possible because you don't want to add that extra liquid to the dip. And then you're just going to add your spinach right to the bowl, and then you're going to go ahead and try to kind of fold that in and stir it in. You want to make sure not to just mash it in too much because you don't want everything to turn all green, but just give it a good stir. Next, you're going to add in your artichokes and go ahead and give those a nice stir. We're going to be using some fat-free mozzarella cheese for this recipe, and we're going to add 1 cup right into the bowl and give it a good stir. Next, we're just going to add some garlic powder, and I like to just make sure the top is covered with garlic powder and then stir it in. And really, it's great because you just do it to however you like it and how much you like the taste of garlic. Next, I'm just transferring this to an oven-safe dish, so I'm just putting some avocado oil in. And you could do this in the air fryer, the microwave, a crock pot, a pressure cooker, any way to get it cheesy and bubbly and delicious. You can also even eat this cold. And now once we're done, we're just going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 390 degrees for about 15 minutes until it's warm and bubbly. Oh yeah! Now this dip is ready for snacking, and I'm going to use some Good Thins. They are super low in points. You can have 41 of these little crackers, so they're a great alternative. And here is the cheesy, gooey, absolutely delicious spinach and artichoke dip. I cannot wait to bring this to all the holiday parties and get-togethers. It is delicious. I hope you guys give this a try and that you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye-bye.